Next, I call upon Sri Pradesh Ji, Secretary Vedavyasa Vidyalayam for felicitation.
Respected President of the Management Committee, Dr. I.M. Indira Teacher, respected Principal Sri Jodishan Sir, respected Shishwalika in charge, Sindhu Teacher, our little stars, Nakshatra, Kshetra, and Rukmini Iyer, parents, my dear little ones, respected teaching and non-teaching staff, a hearty welcome. Namaste to one and all. First of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to Nakshatra and Kshetra for their outstanding performance, and also to our adorable little star, Rukmini Iyer, for her esteemed presence today. It is with immense pleasure that I stand before you this beautiful evening, celebrating 1,000 blossoms of creativity from our little ones. Witnessing the vibrant display of talent from our little stars is truly a privilege and a moment of great honor. Observing the creative brilliance of our shining stars filled with divine innocence is indeed a blessing. On this occasion, I am reminded of two lines from the American poet Annette Wills, The Artistic Child. Their arts a window to the soul, where innocence and wonder stroll. These lines beautifully symbolize how their creativity is deeply rooted in innocence and filled with a sense of wonder and curiosity about the world. When our little stars smile, their eyes sparkle brighter than the stars in the sky. When they speak, their words are like a sweetest music to our ears. Their playful moments remind us of the charming and enchanting mischief of little Krishna himself. We all know this is a crucial time for our little ones' character formation. Both parents and teachers have a significant role in identifying and nurturing the innate creative potential within them. I conclude my felicitation by extending heartfelt wishes to these budding talents for a bright and beautiful future. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.